Have you ever been looking for the best portable and cheap video making kit? Well, you have clicked on the right video. Hi, it's your boy J to the U to the S to the T. Just laugh and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, I'm going to unboxing a video making kit that is portable, cheap and handy. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below, like, share for more videos like this. Now let's get into the unboxing. So guys, actually this video making kit contains 4 different components which are very essential for recording videos. So if you're a YouTuber or you're just starting on filming, content creating, comedy skits, etc, etc, I advise you to go for this because it has basic stuffs which are needed to start content creating. Example is the microphone for good sound quality, the lights for good lighting, the tripod or video stabilizer which can be held hand or table stand, and also the one smartphone universal holder, plus the remote control which can help you to start, pause or stop your video recording even meters from the phone. guys, if you have the same kit as mine, follow these steps below so that you can be able to connect your remote control to your phone so that you can start, stop, pause your video recording from meters away from your phone. Make sure that your phone Bluetooth is on and in pair mode. Turn on the remote control and select the remote control name and pair it with your phone. After, it will automatically connect, and there you go. Just head over to your camera and start recording. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope this video was really helpful to you. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, share for more videos like this. Till another video, bye bye.